We will check what are the prospects' data. There are details regarding ONS technologies. We will see. So this is a candidate who has applied, but he is not active candidate. So like this, it will be there. And we will walk through detailing, but just I am showing how it is going to be. View candidate. Just I am showing you candidate polls. Like this. Candidate polls are group particular search criteria. For example, we search for only, let us say, education. We put the criteria for MBA or MCA, whatever it is. It will take the criteria based on that, and it will take based on that criteria. The candidates will be entered, and we maintain a poll. So this also. Again, we will go detailing. Do not want to just showing those things. See the candidate polls. So dynamic poll. We will see how many are there. Count dynamic poll. There is nobody here. It is there. See, few of the candidates are there. See, I was just telling Surya, candidate 1073. If you give candidate name, Surya, see I need 1073. See here 1073 candidate. So this candidate has applied for the job requisition R1, Sales Manager. So he is from India. He applied for this job. So I am just walking through all those things. So far, whatever I explained, not much important, but only 2, 3 features are important. Any other doubts? Shakuntala and Hemant. These are just basic setups only. We are not going deeply till now. You are sharing the first screen where you update the acknowledgement going to the candidate when they create a profile and things like that. The very first screen when we started the session today. Okay, any tenant setup recruiting. Yeah, how did you go to that page? See this one. Okay, so in the production also, we are supposed to use the same term to get into this page, is it? Yes, of course, because see this like we need to type edit tenant. Edit tenant setup. It is not only for recruiting. I will just show you just a minute. I am just canceling. It will be there for HCM. Okay. Okay, see. See here for edit tenant setup for worklets. Global HCM is also there. If you click on this, It will not work. Because I tried to click on this, probably to check the settings. See, I tried our evening 6 o'clock. I will try to click on this. Probably it may not work because they would have restricted it. Maybe now tenant access they would have restricted, but in real time you will get this. Okay. So when you say restricted, is it because you are into the recruiting module right now? No, not like that, Heyman. It is done by our cloud foundation. Okay. Probably people go into that, and they will edit those things. When it comes to HCM, it is for everybody. So probably they would have restricted. In real time, you will get the option. Whatever you want to do modifications or something actually. But for some reason, when we took the HCM training, this was not shown to us. Yeah. Do you know anything about it, Heyman? No, not really. Even I am on the same page. So this was something new for me actually. Okay. In this edit tenant setup for HCM, if it is opening, I can show you a few features. I will do one thing. Tomorrow I will take some, what do you say? Just screenshots. If it is possible, some old screenshot, I will try to get. Let us see. So HCM part we can give without job requisitions. Also we can create position. However, see when we are into recruitment. That is a pretty much important feature. When we create a position, job requisition also should come. But when you are into HCM, you are never created job requisition right. When you are into HCM. Am I right? Heyman and Shakuntala. Yes, we just create the position, but we do not create the job requisition. Right. So there was a feature in Edit Tenant Setup HCM. If you restrict it, once you create position, you have to create the job requisition, else it will not take. That I want to show, but however, I was unable to do it. What I will do is, if I get a screenshot tomorrow, I will try to show you for 3 to 5 minutes. I will try. Edit Tenant Setup Recruiting. You got some options there, right? Like sending an acknowledgement to the candidate when the account is created and things like that. So basically what I understood from that is, let us say, I as a candidate, I apply for a position in the company through the external site, in the company website. So the minute I apply, what email notification I get as a candidate is the content what you are configuring in the backend here. Right. Absolutely right. What you are saying. You got the point actually. So each and everything when we are trying to implement customer will give everything in Excel sheet. So he will provide us. So, based on that, we will set up. So, if it is everything, see few times what happens in real time, the customer which I am working. They were a bit critical. They know what they actually. Okay. So a bit tricky customer. But however, when you work with some other customers, when I worked previously, they do not know anything about that. So that time it is different. But I rarely got this actually. This current company. They know what they each and everything. So that is what. And few things I will cover. Maybe, if I get the time, at the end moment, I will tell you a few things, also real time, which you might feel happy for 10 minutes. If you have a time, maybe 8 o'clock, we can start for 8 to 8.10. So is that okay?